Hi, this is Beth from ZUMBA. I'm doing some how-to videos for you today, all on basic steps that we do in Zumba, breaking them down a little bit so that to help you in class. So here we go. Okay, hi and welcome. I'm Beth. This is ZUMBA, and we're going to do some simple tutorials of some basic steps that we use in salsa, in Zumba. And we're going to start off with some salsa steps. And the first one is going to be just a simple tap. Now you can't see my feet in this video, so I'm going to just push it down a little bit. See if we can do that. Oh, that's better. We can see feet now. Okay, so one of the first steps we do, it's really simple. It's just literally a tap forward and a replace. A tap and replace. So we just do it over and over. Tap, tap, tap. And we generally do it on the beat. So it's tap, 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 tap. So it's tap, replace quite quickly. Tap, replace, tap, replace. And to make it more salsa-y and sort of full of life and a bit of flavour, we add some hips. So when we tap, we push out the same hip as that we're tapping to the side, and then replace. So tap and push, tap and push, tap and push. And that is it. And that's what we do. And we often accompany that with a bit of a shimmy, if you can manage a shimmy. We've got another how-to video about how to shimmy if you want. But basically we're going for a bit of a shimmy. That's often how we do. Maybe begin a bit of a salsa. That's the first one. So it's that push and replace, push and replace. I'm going to turn around and you can do it with me. So we're going to go push, replace, push, replace, push, and faster. Do, 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 do. Like that. Awesome. And that's it. We're going to do some more videos with some other simple salsa moves. Bye.